Wake up to the night. Breathe it out. Close your eyes and have no doubt. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Close your eyes and have no doubt. Break the chain, feel the stars. There's no pain, there's no scars. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Close your eyes and have no doubt. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Close your eyes and have no doubt. Break the chain, feel the stars. There's no pain, there's no scars.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. It's a rainy day, you know how it is outside. It's It's like kind of cold, it's kind of gloomy, it's kind of dark. It is what it is, you know. Chilling like a villain, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day. What's up with you guys? How y'all doing? We're going to talk about it today, guys. We're going to go in it. We're going to talk about these markets to see what's going on. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? I don't know. Let's find out together. Smash that follow button if you haven't already. Subscribe to whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason not to get my technical analysis on these coins right over here. So big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream. You guys are amazing. You're early birds. You know how it is. You take it easy, my man. You know how it is. Let's see what we got in the house. We got I Am Him. Big shout out to I Am Him over on the TikTok channel. What's going on, my brother? It's all good, bro. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Chill, super duper gloomy kind of day. So I'm going to step back and let the markets do its thing. But we're going to look at that today. Catchy. Big shout out to Catchy over on the TikTok channel. Good afternoon, my brother. Hey, man, you know how it is, man. Just taking it easy, chilling little by little. Going little by little, you know how it is. Crypto Granny. Big shout out to the one and only gout. Crypto Granny. How you doing, Crypto Granny? Got my hat. Oh, you got your hat. Awesome. Let me see. Where do I have mine? I don't know. You bought the red one, right? The red one was the one that you got. Fuck did I do with the red? Oh, here it is. You got this one, right? Crypto Granny, guys. She got the hat to make XRP great again. If you want this hat in my merch store, go ahead and link in bio. You can get your own hat right there. Thank you, Granny. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support, like always. Big shout out to 24 over on the TikTok. How you doing, brother? It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, going little by little, you know, little by little. Hey, Granny, what happened to your other account? You're using a new account, right? That's Crypto Granny, but you had the... What happened to the Bobby one? Let me put this over here so I can see all the chats. Boom, boom, right over here and right over there. Mariana Garcia over on the Kick channel. Big shout out to you, Mariana. Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Tato? It's all good, You good, bro? What's with the face? Did I good? That's hilarious. How you doing, Tato? What's up with you, brother? Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying, please do XRP. What is our closing price? Yes, we're going to definitely, absolutely talk about some XRP action today. We always do. You know how it is, Crypto Granny. Oh, you got banned on the TikTok? Haters, I'm in jail. You don't have any idea how many times that shit happens to me on a daily. Oh, it's crazy, man. TikTok can either make you or break you, you know? I kind of like that song. That's a kick-ass song. Let me see what we got over here. I'm gonna take a picture of that song because I want to check it out. CC Riley, Ecstasy. Fuck, I missed it. CC Riley was it, right? It was CZ Riley. CZ Riley. Ecstasy. Ecstasy. How do you write ecstasy? Ecstasy. Right? CC Riley. Ecstasy. I totally wrote that wrong. I don't know. We'll look for it later on. So how y'all doing, guys? Big shout out to everybody here. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, I don't know, thinking on throwing everything out and move back to Puerto Rico if they don't kick me out on Friday. Oh, that's a bad situation to be, brother. Why don't you just come back to Puerto Rico? I don't see why not. We kind of miss you over here, bro. We can chill out. We can hang out. Do what you got to do, brother. Do what you got to do. Steve McKee over on the TikTok channel. How you doing, Steve? It's all good. You know how it is, brother. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy little by little. I Am Him over on the TikTok channel saying flagged for Crypto Granny Echo posted a video saying he got flagged for the same thing Ray did. What happened? What did Ray do? What happened? What happened? Include me. What's going on? What's happening on the TikTok? What's happening? So I don't make the same mistake. Steve McKee over on the TikTok channel saying, let's look at render. Yeah, we can talk about some render. Let me take out my handy dandy notebook. Where's my notebook? Right over here. Right there. We're going to look at some render, guys. Also, guys, if you want to look at any coins whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I would do my best to do my TA on whatever coins or projects you want to look at. Completely up to you. You got me for an hour of power, so take advantage of it, guys. Kachi! Big shout out to Kachi over on the TikTok channel saying, do you like Grok? It's a meme. It's a meme coin, Grok. I've never heard about Grok. Let me see what we got. We can look at some Grok action. Grok. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying, are you on YouTube? My hubby will watch. Yes, I am on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and head on over to my YouTube channel. Link in my bio. You can go ahead and search for Crypto Sensei TV. Crypto Sensei TV is my name over on the YouTube channel. And it's a way better quality stream over there too. So if you want to see me a lot better than we do over on the TikTok channel, head on over to my YouTube channel. I stream there also. I'm restreaming on every single platform out there. Okay. So I'm all over the place. No reason why not to get my price action. I am him saying over on the TikTok channels, Ray didn't do nothing. Some people are just reporting. So people can just report you and that's it. Like they can just like bring your channel down just by reporting you. But what if you didn't do nothing wrong? I hate that shit, bro. I fucking hate that shit. It's the same thing with Call of Duty. I don't know if you guys play Call of Duty, but if people report you, they think that you're a hacker just because you're playing well in the game. They take you out. They ban you. I hate that fucking shit, man. That's why I'm streaming on every single platform out there, guys. Just in case one of my channels gets taken down, I got a backup. I'm all over the place, okay? So make sure that you follow and subscribe to all of the platforms. You can get the links in my bio, okay? Whatever platforms you like, you guys like. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, if they don't kick me out on Friday, no money to even sneeze. Bro, let me know. I can help you out, brother. What do you need? Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, nah, you were hacking on COD. Brother, you got to do what you guys to do. If you're a hacker on COD, I don't know. We can talk about that one later. We can talk about that. We can make a channel and talk about that. Lindsay Meals, big shout out to Lindsay over on the TikTok channel saying that Elon new coin. That's a new Elon meme coin. We could talk about that one too. Sure, why not? You never know. What if it goes to the upside? You never know. Spike, big shout out to Spike over on the TikTok channel saying, what's up with you, brother? It's all good, all good. Angel in the house, big shout out to Angel. How you doing, Angel? It's all good, all good. You know how this is, chilling like a villain. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying TikTok don't care. TikTok doesn't give a fuck. It doesn't. It just doesn't. Catchy TVA saying over on the TikTok channel saying TikTok is horrible. The algorithm is heartless. Brother, I've been stuck on 20 viewers since the day I started. And I've been stuck on 3,500 followers since forever. I know that I don't post content every single day, but I stream every single day. You know? I don't post short videos because I'd rather just give you all the information all at the same time, you know? Maybe if we start uploading one video every day and, you know, just feed the algorithm, we can grow, but I just, you know, I just don't want to do that. 24 over on the TikTok channel saying Hito and Casper tokens. You want to talk about Casper, right? Not Casper. Casper. Hito. Casper. We can talk about those coins. Of course we can. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Also, guys, I got food for today. Since I'm always hungry. Every single time I do my streams, I'm always fucking hungry. So right now, I got my sandwich. Remember that I wanted a sandwich yesterday? They opened today, so got my sandwich. I'm gonna eat that one later down. Chiz 254, big shout out to Chiz over on the TikTok channel saying back at it. Keep it up, brother. You're number one in my book. Oh man, thank you so much. Highly appreciate you, Chiz. Big shout out to Cheese. D, big shout out to D. over on the TikTok channel saying, hi, everyone. How you doing, D? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Get your charts ready, guys, because we're going to go in it today. We're going to talk about these markets. We're going to go up. Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe for whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm on every single platform out there, so make sure that you follow me on every single one, just in case one of my channels gets taken down, because apparently TikTok just doesn't like people making money. There's nothing I could do about that other than just stream on every single platform out there. So make sure that you follow me everywhere. So big shout out for everybody here. Highly appreciate you. Thank you for your time, guys. We're going to bring it today. We're going to go in it today. We got a very important show because we got to know what the hell is happening with XRP right now. This is the XRP chart, by the way. XRP doing what it's supposed to do. XRP is doing whatever the it wants to do. So we did. Let me zoom in a little bit here so you guys can see this. We're going to talk about it in more detail down the line, so don't worry about it. But I just want to bring it to your attention right over here that XRP is just, it's so sexy looking. It is just so goddamn beautiful. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? This pattern right here is the most bullish pattern I have ever seen any coin do ever. Ever. Can you understand that? This is a beautiful pattern, a beautiful cup and handle formation, breaking to the upside. We need to retest back down. We need to double down on our trade and ride this sucker all the way to the upside. What else do you want me to tell you? I don't know in what language you want me to tell you. Start stacking up on your goddamn XRP because it looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, this pattern right here that I'm looking on the screen, this is a bullish pattern. Okay, you see this U parabolic pattern line right down here? That is bullish. This just means that the bow got pulled back and we're ready to let go of that arrow. Power to the upside. I don't know how else to tell you this, guys. Just start stacking up on your XRP. You don't need anything else. You don't need me. You don't need my TA. Just buy whatever price you wanted to buy it at. 68 cents, that's just pennies. Pennies compared to where this price action can take you. I know it's frustrating as hell. I know. I get it. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying where are we looking at close tonight? We're going to go in it today, Crypto Granny. Stick around. We're going to look at what the hell the XRP price is going to do. But before we do that, where's my watch? What the hell did I do with my watch? Let's go to Bitcoin. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I will do my best to do some TA on whatever projects you guys want to look at today. So I always start with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, make sure that you do it on Bitcoin first. Everything gets dragged by Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king. It is what it is, at least for now. Maybe down the line, it'll be trumped by others like XRP. But for now, Bitcoin is king. So we're going to do our TA with Bitcoin first. Okay, so we start on Bitcoin and we always start on the daily chart. So make sure that you go into the daily chart. You look at Bitcoin. Sorry. You look at Bitcoin and you do your analysis, okay? So what is Bitcoin doing as of right now? Let's zoom in. We're going to zoom in. Look at that. And you're going to look at the last two candles right over here. What are these two candles right over here? Those are green candles to the upside. Green candles to the upside. Look at how much green action has been playing out. Remember, keep in mind, every single one of these candles is 1 day long. So every single one of these green candles is a day long. That means that we have had so many green days to the upside. Okay, no wonder why the market is so euphoric. Okay, but do remember that every time we get euphoria, there is going to be a pullback. If we get too many green candles like this all together, like that, that reversal is pretty much right around the corner. So you don't want to go in on the green. You always want to go in on the red, okay? Dynamite! Big shout out to Dynamite over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Dynamite? Hey, you. How you doing, brother? So, Bitcoin looking like it's shooting to the stars, but we're not going to follow it. We're not going to follow the pump, okay? We have to go in on a red candle to the downside, okay? So we're going to wait for that red candle to go to the downside. Now, I don't know when that is going to happen. I can never tell you the timing. The timing is impossible, but there is best case scenarios that I can give you. So today we're going to talk about what are those best case scenarios. So we're going to go in it. You have to identify three things. You have to identify the lowest point, which is this right here, right before the pump, okay? The lowest point right before the pump. So you throw a ball right where the ball bounces from the floor. That's the low, okay? That's the low. So you identify the low. This is the low, okay? Right here. Then you identify the high. When you threw the ball and the ball bounced, what is the highest point where the momentum drove that ball to come back down, okay? That highest point of the bouncy bounce was where? Right around here. Okay, this right here. And not only do you see the high point, that high point is being tested 3 times, okay? Whenever you get a line, let me do it a little bit better for you. Whenever you get a line that gets tested, in other words, gets touched more than 3 times, 1, 2, 3, that becomes a trend. Okay? That is called a trend line. So it got touched once, it got touched twice, and it got touched 3 times. Every single time it gets tested, that line becomes stronger and stronger and stronger. Now it either becomes stronger through resistance or through support. Okay? So it's always this game of it's always this game about support and resistance, you know, support and resistance, just fighting each other all the time. We need to identify what's the support and we need to identify what's the resistance. So that's what we're going to talk about that today. Big shout out to Bitcoin Free to People, my brother from another month. How you doing, Bitcoin Free to People? It's all good, good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Chill mode, super duper chill mode today, you know, just taking it easy. It's kind of gloomy outside, so I'm just going to play it little by little, you know, just let the market do its thing because the market is too euphoric, it's too happy, it's too to the upside. We need to wait for that breakout to the downside back down, okay, guys? Keep that in mind. So what I'm trying to say over here is that this line right here is a major resistance zone, right? Because these candles are not breaking through, okay? They're just testing it and 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 testing it, okay? Until it either breaks or it comes back down. Now, my prediction is that it's going to come back down. Okay, we can't have so many green days without a retracement. So we're going to pretend that it's going to come back down from here and that it's not going to break that 36K resistance. I could be completely full of shit and this actually does break to $40, $50, $100,000 by tomorrow, okay? But for me, I think it's highly unlikely, okay? So we're going to pretend that it's going to come back down, okay? So now that we've identified the low and we've identified this high trend line over here, big shout out to Olawuni over on the Facebook channel. Thank you for that like. So now that we've identified the low and we've identified the high, we need to identify the retracement of that high because we're going to pretend that the price is going to come back down. Okay, we're going to pretend the price is going to come back down. So we have something that looks like a shark fin formation. You know the shark fin, like a shark, the fin on the back? That's what the pattern you're looking for to getting in on any asset out there. Whenever you see a pattern like that playing out, that's when you want to start getting in on whatever asset you want to buy. Whatever. Doesn't have to be Bitcoin. It could be anything else. Okay? So if you're not in Bitcoin right now, I'm going to give you the price action to getting in on Bitcoin right now. So you take your Fibonacci tool and you place it on the low and you drag it all the way to the high. Okay? Drag it all the way to the high. Okay? We got 3 high points being tested on that $36,000 mark. It's just not breaking through. Okay? So there's probably going to be a reversal from here. On that reversal, you need to identify one more thing. The 618 on the Fibonacci levels. In case you've never used the Fibonacci tool, you don't know how the Fibonacci tool, how do I use it, my pattern, my way of looking at it. This is my Fibonacci tool. Take a screenshot of it. There you go. This is my Fibonacci retracement tool setup. Okay, you go to the settings wheel on the Fibonacci tool, which is this one right over here on the trading view. And this is how I set it up, okay? Make sure that it looks exactly like the one that I use, okay? Big shout out to the XRP Queen. How you doing, XRP Queen? You want to look at XRP, XDC, and Quant? We always look at those coins, my man. Don't worry about it. I got you. So we got XDC. And you got some Quant, QNT. Of course, we're going to talk about that. Tony Will over on the TikTok channel. Big shout out to you, XRP in Zoom. Is it safe? I don't use hot wallets, okay? Because I can lose my phone. Somebody can steal my phone. Somebody can hack my phone. You know, so many things that can happen. So technically, I don't use the Zoom wallet. I have a Ledger wallet. And if you don't want to use a Ledger wallet, I have an EliPal wallet, okay? So I don't leave funds on any hot wallets out there. I don't leave funds on my phone. Nowhere near where I walk around with my funds. No, that's just not going to happen. I've never heard of anything happening with the Zoom wallet. I'm not saying that they're bad or anything like that. I'm just saying that it's I take my security a little step further, you know? I don't leave it on Zoom. I leave it on my Ledger outside of my phone. You're welcome, Tony. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. Thank you for stopping by. So, guys, take a screenshot of this. This is how I set up my fib, and we're going to go and continue. Now that I've drew out my Fibonacci, and now that I've identified my 618, that is exactly where I want to go on Bitcoin right over there, okay? So, my target price to getting in on Bitcoin is 29,804. Okay. If you are so desperate to get Bitcoin because you just can't live with your life, you can't survive without buying Bitcoin, and you don't want it to go down, you don't want to wait for it to go down to 29K, there is another way you can go. Okay? There is another way you can go. That's why I have them drawn over here in a yellow line, because those two yellow lines are what's called the golden pocket zone. The golden pocket zone. Or, as I call it, the fire sale zone. Okay? That fire sale is like a Black Friday on Bitcoin. So anything between those two zones, top or bottom or anything in between, that is where you're going to want to start stacking up on your Bitcoin on whatever asset you want to look at, okay? So if it's trading within that zone, the answer is yes. The answer is yes. You get it. You buy it. You hold it. You do whatever the fuck you got to do, okay? So that zone is between these two numbers right over here, 30,897 and 29,804. Keep in mind that we're looking at what, like maybe $1,000 in between one and another. So it's not that much, okay? It's the difference is not that much. But as long as you keep it simple, keep it at those two zones right over there, 30,897 and 29,804, that's where you're going to want to start stacking up on your Bitcoin. Now, keep in mind, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to go down to those zones right over there. So you pretty much do whatever the hell you want to do. Okay? You trade it however the hell you want to trade it. This is not financial advice in no way, shape, or form. I am going to start stacking up on my Bitcoin at that price range. Okay? If it comes back down. If it keeps going higher, then we just reset the Fibonacci levels again and we retry it again. Okay? We're going to figure out what the red candle is going to do. There is going to be a retracement. There is going to be a pullback. There is going to be a dip. You can't get the pump without the dip. Okay? So keep that in the back of your mind when you're doing your trades. Okay? That's all you got to do. Dynamite over on the YouTube channel saying, all right, brother. Yeah, bro, you know how it is, man. Just take it easy, brother. Little by little, day by day. We're going to make it. Don't worry about it. We're going to make it. It's going to happen. Don't worry about it. Danger Dane. Big shout out to Danger Dane, one of my subscribers. Thank you so much, Danger Dane. Thank you for stopping by. Saying over on the TikTok channel, can't get the chip without the dip. That's right. Bro, that's going to be my next hat. I'm going to design a hat, and it's going to say, can get the chip without the dip. That's hilarious. So, yeah, guys, that is my plan for some Bitcoin action, okay? 30,897 and 29,804 if we get that dippy dip happening coming real soon. Another thing that's backing me up on this that we're going to get a probable back down is that the RSI is on the top. That means that Bitcoin is being oversold. there has to be a curvature back down, okay, retesting these low areas right over here. And I think that that area is going to be right here. Okay. That's just how I see it. Okay. This is just me trying to forecast the future. Okay. And that, guys, is my plan for Bitcoin. Moving on to some Ethereum action. Let me get rid of this. This was from the previous live stream. So for Ethereum, if Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is going to do the exact same thing because Bitcoin is king, Ethereum is queen. So those two drive the markets whether we like it or not. Okay. So Ethereum, we do the exact same thing. We identify the low right before the pump. We identify the high right after the pump. And then we identify the pullback of that high, which we're going to pretend that we have because we don't have it just yet, okay? It's starting to do so, maybe some sideways action, but it's probably going to come back down, okay? So we're going to pretend that we get those candles back down, and we're going to draw out our what? Our Fibonacci levels. And you identify what is the 618 and the 0.5. These two zones right over here. What are those zones? Very simple. 1,000, 1,708, and 1,662. Your best bet to getting in on some Ethereum action would be 1,708 and 1,662. 1,708 and 1,662. 1,662 would be your best bet. The 618 is always your best case scenario. Okay, 618 is your best case scenario. Get it at the 618. If you can get it, put a limit buy order, an automatic buy order for Ethereum at 1,662. Okay, that's your best bet. Okay, that's the plan for some Ethereum action. Okay, don't sleep on this beast. It doesn't matter what we think. Ethereum is huge. It's number 2. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Okay, start stacking up. Those are my price ranges for some Ethereum action, guys. All right, moving on to my beautiful baby girl XRP. God damn it, I love XRP. So, guys, what is XRP doing as of right now? I don't even know. This baby girl, what are you doing? Why you do this to me? You know I want more. You know I want to get some more. I'm not satisfied yet with my XRP. I want to. So like I said on the last previous live stream, sorry about that. I get emotional when I talk about XRP. You know, I get a little too, little 50 Shades of Crypto Sensei. So like I said on the last live stream, I told you guys that we needed to close above this resistance zone right over here. This resistance zone is the bouncy bounce of the 618. Okay, this is the bouncy bounce of the 618, and it broke to the downside. We had this huge dip right over here, which, by the way, my indicator gave you the signal that this sucker was going to come back down. You see this signal right over here? It gave you the bearish, and it gave you the cross. So no excuse not to be on a short on the XRP right there that day. Okay. Anyway, so I told you guys that we needed to close above this zone right over here. Look at what the candle right now is doing. Look at that. It's closing above that line. What does it mean when you close above that resistance zone? That resistance zone now becomes what? Support. See how things just flip around? Okay. Crypto Ritz. Big shout out to Crypto Ritz over on the TikTok channel. Big shout out to Crypto Ritz. Bitcoin free to people over on the TikTok channel saying XRP is ready any day to the moon. Absolutely Bitcoin free to the people. Which, by the way, thank you so much for the hat and mustache, brother. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate it. So XRP closing above that target price. What did I tell you that back then when I told you guys that you could also get in on what price action? 66 cents. So it's closing above 66 cents. That's exactly where we want it to be. Okay? That's exactly where we want it to be. It actually did it not even following the rules. It closed after the close. You see how we get these 3 candles, one that breaks above and then another one in the middle that looks like a T candle? That T candle was not supposed to be there. That T candle is not supposed to be there. It should have been this candle right here. It did it after. Okay? So XRP is doing whatever the hell it wants to do. It doesn't follow the rules. It just doesn't play by the rules, guys. It is what it is. Don't hate the player, hate the game, you know? So it's closing above 66 cents, and it needs to hold that 66 cent mark right over here. Okay, so right now it's a high risk, high reward type of trade. You can try and get it at 66. Okay, you can try and get it at 66 if it comes back down to 66, or it'll probably shoot to the upside from here. I'm thinking that since Bitcoin is probably going to have a retest back down and everything is tied to Bitcoin, XRP is probably going to do the exact same thing. Okay, I'm banking on the fact that Bitcoin drives the markets. But as we've seen all week, pretty much, yeah, all of November and the end of October, XRP is doing whatever the hell it wants. It's not even following Bitcoin. It's doing whatever the it wants to do. Okay, so your first entry price to getting in on some XRP would be 66 cents. Okay, 66 cents. Dan D over on the TikTok channel. Big shout out to you, Dan D. Welcome, brother. It's all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Michael Richards over on the TikTok channel saying, what's your guess in 2024 for XRP? My guess is that I'm going to refinance my house and get more XRP and get a third job and get more XRP, sell my car and get more XRP. I don't know. I'm just going to get more XRP. I don't know what you're going to do, brother. But I'm going to get more XRP, whatever the fuck the price is going to do. I'm pretty sure that right after the halving, we're going to have a little bit of a dip. And that's when I'm going to get in on more XRP. That's all I got to say. I'm just saying that we're still on the upward movement for XRP. Okay? Upwards movement for XRP. I don't know what the dip is going to do. Okay? I don't know when the dip is going to be. But it's upwards movement all the way through March from here. So, I'm just giving you gold nuggets. You do whatever the hell you want to do with them. Okay? You know what the hell you want to do with them. Lindsay Meals over on the TikTok channel saying, is Jasmine running with BTC? It looks like it. Yeah, all coins are tied to Bitcoin until they're not. Okay, until they're not. But most likely all the coins are tied to Bitcoin. Michael Richards saying, what is halving? I'm kind of new to crypto. Absolutely, brother. The halving is pretty much how our master Lord Satoshi Nakamoto, creator and founder of Bitcoin, decided to make a coin that always goes up in value. I'll see you later, Bitcoin people. Thank you for stopping by, brother. Take care, man. Do what you got to do. If you stream later down the line, let me know. Share the link. I will get in on your live stream. Or Crypto Granny wants to stream later down the line. Let me know. I'll probably go to your streams too. So every 4 years, Bitcoin's supply gets cut in half. Imagine that every 4 years, the US dollar, they burn half of the US dollars in supply in the world. What do you think the price of the US dollar is going to do when people keep using the US dollar? The demand is always going to be there. The demand is not going lower. We are always going to need cash, right? Cash is king. But what if every 4 years cash gets burned? Half of the supply, everything that's in circulation, it gets burned out. What do you think the value of the US dollar is going to do? It's just going to skyrocket every 4 years, skyrocket every 4 years, skyrocket every 4 years, because every 4 years, the supply gets cut in half. Okay. Meaning that half of the selling pressure is cut in half, but the demand keeps doubling down, doubling up every 4 years. So it's a sneaky way of assuring that Bitcoin's value always goes to the upside forever. Okay? Until it doesn't. Sooner or later, it won't. But we're nowhere near that curvature back down. Okay? So that's what the halving is. Every 4 years, we get a halving where Bitcoin supply gets cut in half and the price of Bitcoin quadruples 5, 6, 7 times. Okay? There is a countdown so that you can put it on your calendar. If you go to YouTube, Google and look for Bitcoin halving countdown. You can get the coin market cap Bitcoin halving. It's in 169 days. So on April 2024, the block reward would get reducted from 6 Bitcoin to 3 Bitcoin. In other words, there's going to be half of the selling pressure in the world for Bitcoin. But the demand keeps going higher. So price is going to keep going higher. Okay. There's probably a bajillion videos on YouTube explaining what the halving is. So you go ahead and search whatever so that it gets really more detailed than that. But it's pretty much that's it. That's just how the halving works. So obviously, on April 2024, you're going to see me right here trading the price of Bitcoin because it's probably going to dump and then pump out of fucking nowhere to $100,000 per coin or even higher. Okay. Or even higher. We'll see. I'm definitely, if I've got permits and I'm still alive and I'm still here, we're going to look at that too. We're going to be there. So guys, like I was saying over on the XHop, hey, your first entry price for getting in on some XRP is 66 cents. And we need to hold the line at 66 cents. If it breaks to the downside, beautiful, because that just means that I'm going to get even more XRP. We're going to identify the low. We're going to identify the high, and we're going to identify or pretend that we got a retracement from here. So we're going to get our shark fin formation, and we're going to draw out the Fibonacci levels. Okay. And what is the first entry price to getting in on some XRP? That one. That one. And of course, the 66 cent one. Okay. But you already got that one. First one is 0.58186 and 0.55074. Oops. Stay there. Thank you. So if you're not in on XRP just yet and you're curious, you are crypto curious and you want to get in on XRP, those are your best bets right over there. 58 cents and 55 cents. Okay, so put 2 limit buy orders. Automatic buy orders at 58 and 55 so that it buys the coin whether you're looking at it or not. Okay. It could happen while you're sleeping. You never know. You're not going to be like me and being in front of a freaking computer all day looking at the charts all goddamn day. No, you know, you have a life. Okay. You have a life. Okay. You don't have to be like me. I don't go out. I don't do anything other than charting. That's all I do. 24 hours a day, every day. But no, live a life. I'm going to live vicariously through you guys. That's why I do the live streams. You got me to do the charts, but you live. You do your life. I'll let you know when to go in. 58 and 55. Okay, 58 and 55. Michael Richards 4119 over on the TikTok channel saying mine are at the 0.6825. So you want to get some XRP at 68.25? Brother, it doesn't really matter the price. It doesn't really matter. Just get in. Just get in. Bitcoin free to people. Thank you so much. Appreciate you too, brother. Highly, highly appreciate you too. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying to Lindsay, Jasmine is great. Yeah, we're going to talk about some Jasmine. Let me write it down. We talk about some Jasmine later down the line. But Jasmine is going to do great things. I am 100% sure about that. Big Rob, thank you so much for that share. Big Rob, big shout out to you. Be Rudo over on the TikTok channel saying, what's up, bro? How's your day? Bro, it's all good, all good. You know, just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, going little by little. You got to do what you got to do, bro. You got to do what you got to do. So it's all good, you know, just chilling like a villain. So that, guys, is my plan for some XRP action. Now, I'm going to give you even two more price actions that you can get even more XRP if this sucker decides to dump to the downside, because it can happen. Okay, it can happen. I'll give you two more. 0.49325 and 0.46108. There you go. All of those price actions are all within the golden ratio. They're all either the 618 and the 0.5 or the negative of the 618. Okay, the two sides of each coin. Okay. So that is my price action to getting in on some XRP if you guys are not holding on to XRP. But you know what? Let me tell you right now, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. If you believe in the project, whatever project you're looking at, it doesn't have to be XRP. It could be anything. If you believe in the project, you want to marry a coin, or you don't want to diversify, which you should, by the way, not just marry one coin. I'm just an idiot online. I'm stupid. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. I got 100% of my portfolio is on XRP. Don't do that. Diversify. You never know. So if you want to get some XRP action, this is the best bet to getting in on some XRP on your trades, okay? It can keep going lower. Of course it can. It can keep going higher. Of course it can. We're going to reset our Fibonacci levels, whichever price action happens. I'm going to get a third job, and I'm going to start driving in Uber, delivering Uber Eats, and I'm going to get more money and get even more XRP if that happens. Okay? Okay. Birudo over on the TikTok channel saying, any news with the Swell event? I have no idea, brother. I wasn't invited. Ain't nobody invite the sensei, bro. I wish I could sit on those tables. I got no news whatsoever. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Royal Darkness over on the TikTok channel saying, just get in. Yes, that's right. It doesn't matter the price. Just get in and hold it on your Ledger device. You never know. 5 years down the line, let's see what the price is. You never know. Birudo over on the TikTok channel saying, I'm married to 7 coins all at once, bro. See, I don't have money to support 7 people, 7 coins. I'm loyal to one. I only got money for one, so I got XRP. That's it. I got nothing else. Big shout out to Esteban. Thank you so much for that subscribe over on my YouTube channel. Big shout out to Esteban. So yeah, guys, that is my plan. Oh, thank you so much, Shane. Thank you for the roses, Shane. Big shout out to Shane over on the TikTok. Thank you for the roses. And thank you for Bitcoin Free the People. Thank you for that cap. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate you guys always, as always. So yeah, guys, that is my plan to stacking up into even more XRP. Keep an eye out. Oh, wait, I forgot one more. I forgot the 65. I forgot the 65. The 65? No, the 66. This one. Okay, because this is the new support line, 0.66. The new support line is 66. So if it comes back down and touches that 66, you're gonna want to start stacking up on that one too. Okay, you got one under. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying, "What's the closing candle? What time is it? It is 6:47, so in an hour and 15 minutes, we'll see. Closing candle is going to be right here, and he needs to close right on top of 66. So keep an eye out on it, Granny, at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Well, it would be 7 p.m. to you guys, 8 p.m. to me. Look at the charts, and if it's above 66, you're good to go. Just get more XRP. Okay, if it's above 66, get more XRP. Okay, but if it's below XRP, get more XRP. Below 66, get more XRP at 58, 55, 49, and 46. Okay, so keep an eye out on it. 8 p.m. tonight, 7 p.m. to you guys. Don't go to sleep. Don't go to sleep. Look at the charts. Look at the charts. Okay. All right, guys. Oh, thank you, Crypto Granny. I'm so fucking lonely, Crypto Granny. All right, let's move on to some render. You guys wanted to talk about some render action. What's going on in render? Can I get render on QCons? Yes, we can. Look at the render. Ooh, we did render on some previous live streams. Let's go in it. Let's go. What's going on? What's going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Big connect. Remember that? It's fucked up. It's fucked up, guys. Don't say that. Don't say that. So for render, same scenario, still playing out the exact same way from previous live streams. My buy action for some render is still set at $1.7854. $1.7854. $1.7854 for some render action. Okay, render action. We're probably going to get that curvature back down, so more price action to the downside. It is what it is. Only if Bitcoin is also decides to come back down. Okay, also if Bitcoin decides to come back down. So $1.78 is my price action to getting in on some render. Okay, I'm seeing some downwards action. $1.78 for render. $1.78 for render. Let's look at Grok. That was an interesting coin, Grok. I don't even know. Never even heard of Grok. Grok. What is Grok? Holy crap. Grok has almost $1 trillion in supply. Why do you do this, guys? Why do you do this? These are those type of coins that you just buy $100 and you hope to God that it pumps to the upside. Like what was it called? Pepe coin? I don't know. I don't know why you do this to yourselves, guys. I just don't know why you do this to yourself. I mean, these type of coins, how much, if I get $100 of this coin, how many coins do I get? Million, thousand. I get 12 million of this coin. 12 million with $100 of this coin. I don't know. Why? I mean, go ahead. Do you, boo-boo. If you want to get some Grok coin, get some Grok coin, bro. Get some Grok coin. For $100, you get 12 million. God damn. And it pumped 34% in a day. Woo-wee. That's not bad at all. Wow. Grok. Oops. What did I do here? Here we go. Thank you. So let's look at Grok. No, this doesn't have enough. This coin just came out. Did it just come out? Yeah, this coin literally just came out. Am I doing the right one? I don't think I'm doing the right one. Why is it 81.31 over here? This makes no sense to me, guys. Is it another coin? I'm not doing the right one, am I? I don't think I'm doing the right one. I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking for. Grok is too new, guys. Grok is too new. I don't have historical data to give you. I can't do a technical analysis on this one other than just buy whatever the fuck you want to buy. Because I don't even know what this coin is. What is this coin? This coin is a meme coin. My God, why do you do this to yourselves? Just, I don't know. If it was me, I would say I would put $100 in, hold it, and let's see if it actually pumps. You never know. It could be like Pepe Coin and it just pumps out of fucking nowhere. I don't know. Crypto Granny over on the TX Talk channel saying, you want to look at some ADA. So we're going to look at some ADA coin. Now we can talk about some ADA. Of course we can. Elon Musk has nothing to do with it, but he said the name and you already know. Is that what Grok is? Is a Elon Musk green meme coin? A Grok coin is a meme coin that Elon Musk has been mentioning the name on Twitter recently. Well, get on it. Get on it, because you know the power that dude has. That dude tweets something about Doge and Doge just skyrockets, and so does any other coin that he mentions. So get on it, guys. Get on it. Been pumping like that too. Hollywood, brother. Bonk. Awesome. Catchy TBA over on the TikTok channel saying yes, an Elon Musk coin. Crypto Granny saying that is not an Elon Musk coin. I don't even know. I've never even heard of those type of coins. I don't really buy those type of coins. But hey, if you have $100 to throw away, why not? Just don't go to Starbucks. Get some Grok coin. Catch you over on the TikTok channel saying, Crypto Granny, Crypto Quincy showed the Elon tweets. Danger Dane over on the TikTok saying, how about Storage? Oh, you want to talk about Storage? Storage is a privacy coin, right? Like, what's it called? Monero? I don't remember Storage that well. I remember Storage back in 2017 when people were talking about that one. It was a privacy coin, which I love privacy coins, by the way. Catchy TBA saying the site and paper says Elon AI coin. Danger Jane saying it's a cloud service. Oh, it's a cloud service. Cool. Yeah, we'll talk about some storage. But yeah, guys, when it comes to Krog or any other coins that it's like this, it's a meme coin trading at a ridiculous amount of money, less than a cent, and you can get millions for $1. Just put this chunk change, you know, and you never know. You never know. Buy it and hold it and keep it in your wallet. You never know. You never know. But I got no technical analysis on that one, brother. It's way too new. Probably gonna be a pump and dump and just like you're not gonna put your retirement account on it, okay? Don't refinance your house, don't get a credit card, don't get a loan, don't do none of that. Okay. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying if you have $100 to throw away in Grok, think about Tato instead of Grok. Tato, my man, bro. Guys, if you're gonna throw away $100, just send it to my boy Tato over on the Twitch channel. He'll do way better. He needs it way more than Grok does. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying false info. Although Elon mentioned a name, not a coin, but this is crypto memes. Yeah, it's crypto memes. Doesn't matter. It's probably gonna be a pump and dump. So don't expect anything, but don't sleep on it either. Just put like $10, like something. It's like a bet on the casino. Just you never know. You never know. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying Elon can scratch. They will create scratch coin. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Elon Musk has it has a lot of power. That name has a lot of power. It is what it is. He pretty much controls the media. The information that we consume is controlled by one guy. That's power right there, brother. That's power. But yeah, no, I agree with Granny. If Elon Musk says Grok, they're gonna create a Grok coin. If he farts, they're gonna create a fart coin and say that it was Elon. It's backed by Elon Musk's farts, and it'll probably make a millionaire somewhere. Crypto Angel, big shout out to Crypto Angel over on the TikTok channel. How you doing, beautiful? Dan over on the TikTok channel saying XCN. Apparently Pepe will be running on Onyx Coin. XCN. Big shout out to XCN. Let's see what we got. We can talk about some XCN. Big shout out to Crypto Angel. Thank you so much for that heart. Big shout out to you. Hearts for you, man. Love you too. Love you too. XCN. We can talk about some XECN. Of course we can. Why not? I am him over on the TikTok channel saying I'm getting ready for another pump. Absolutely, brother. Just do what you got to do. Get in it. And don't forget about just strap in, put on your Ledger device and forget about the rest, brother. You don't need anything else. Jack77 over on the TikTok saying, what's the music? Bro, this music is brought to you by my man, Art of Techno. This is me 40 years from now. This is going to be me. Smoking weed, enjoying my XRP gains that I bought 40 years ago, just living the life. This is my goal right here. This is gonna be me 40 years from now. You'll see. Art of Techno, Dib Radio. That's the radio that I put when I do my trades, guys. Right here, my favorite type of music. Crypto Angel over on the TikTok channel saying, doing great. How are you? I'm doing super duper good. You know, just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. I'm going to let the markets do their thing, and I'm just going to watch the charts. Nothing else I can do. All right, moving on to some Hero. Hero coin. What is Hero coin? I'm probably pretty sure that it's just another meme coin. Let me see. Hero. Meta Hero. Is it Meta Hero, the one that you guys wanted to talk about? Meta Hero? Is it a meta coin? I still believe in the metaverse, by the way. Have you guys seen what they've done with the VR headsets nowadays? They're ridiculous. As a gamer and as a person who spends a lot of time online, I can tell you, this whole metaverse thing is it's kind of revolutionary once people start to get used to it. The problem with the metaverse back in 2020 is that nobody knows how to fucking use the metaverse. There is no demand for the for the metaverse, you know? So those coins are not going to be playing out well now, today or tomorrow. But I'm pretty sure that once people start, you know, that wheel gets turning and churning and churning. You should see what these VR headsets are doing right now in the metaverse. They're ridiculous. The Meta Quest 3.0, the new one that just came out, is ridiculous. I literally hung out with a friend of mine that's in the States, thousands of miles away, and we're sitting down in the same living room. If I turn my head, I can see him. He sees me, and we're watching Netflix on a virtual room that's not even there. But we can talk to each other like if we were. That's ridiculous, guys. That is some Ready Player One shit. It was wonderful. I loved it. I find it quite, and I enjoy it pretty much. Now, to replace my life like in the movies, no, not at all. Not at all. So metaverse coins, I like those coins. So Meta Hero, you can trade it on KuCoin. All right, cool. It has 10 billion in supply, trading less than a cent. How much coins can I get for $100? For $100, I can get. Come on, let's go. Thank you. For $100, I can get 273,000 of this coin. Not too bad. Let me do some. Let me see. When did this come out, by the way? When did this coin come out? I said I could trade it on KuCoin. Meta Hero. There we go. All right, let's zoom out. There you go. Meta Hero's doing its thing. Looking like a train. Looking like a train to the upside. So you got the bullish signal here. We got the pump. There we go. It's on the green. I will wait for it to come back down. So let's zoom in and let's find out what a good entry price is for some Hito coin. But Hito looking strong. Hito looking good. Looking real good. Your entry price you're getting in on some hero action is right here. 0.002849. I would get $100 and just buy it at that price right there. That's what I would do. That's the price action for some meta hero, guys. Meta hero coin. Looking real good. That's a good coin too. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, I'll buy food and make a party. We call it Crypto Party and we can all have fun. I can do catering, a couple good things. Elon Musk can scratch my back while he pays for my bills. Yeah, for sure. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying, Sensei, thank you for all you do. You're great at TA, guy. Teach perfect, and I hope all appreciate you. Thank you so much, Crypto Granny. See you later. All right, Crypto Granny. Are you going to stream later on? Let me know. Share the link and I'll come in if you guys want to have a little bit of a community stream over there. I love you guys. I love joining you guys over there. And we can talk about even more stuff over there. So if you're going to stream, let me know. Thank you, Crypto Granny. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. We love you, Boricua. Yes, Boricua's in the house. Let's go. Thank you, Crypto Granny. Thank you so much for stopping by. All right, let's talk about some Cardano. So for Cardano, same scenario, just exactly like the previous live stream. Nothing has changed. So Cardano coming back down. I'm looking for that curvature back down, that bearish scenario to come back down. My entry prices for Cardano are right here. 29, 24, 26. Right there. Hasn't changed. Nothing has changed. We're probably going to get that downwards momentum. So I'm going to get in on some more Cardano at 29 cents, 26, and 24. Okay. Where's my water? Guys, give me 1 minute. I'm going to go get some water. Give me 1 second. Mingle amongst yourselves. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I am him over on the TikTok channel saying, do you think IMX is getting ready for another pump? IMX? IMX? Can I trade IMX? I can trade it on Bitget. Okay. All right, IMX setting up for this shark fin formation. So shark fin formations, you know how to trade those, brother. You already know. There you go, right here. Boom. So when it comes to IMX, your entry price for some IMX action is 70 cents, 0.6922. So when it comes to IMX, that's where I would get in. 69 cents. But it is looking like it wants to curve back down on the RSI, so we're probably going to get some downwards action coming for IMX. Okay, so keep an eye out for IMX at 69 cents. That's where you're going to want to start getting in, okay? Live and Learn, big shout out to Live and Learn over on the TikTok channel saying, look at all his screens. It's a backdrop, brother. No, it's a green screen. I don't actually have those. I wish I did, though. That'd be awesome. Maybe someday, I don't know. You know, if XRP pumps, I'll get an office like that. Make it real. I live in a very small house. So I got to do what you got to do, you know? Live and Learn thing over on the TikTok channel saying, did he do Sol or yet? You mean Solana? No, we haven't not done some Solana action. We can talk about some Solana. Of course we can. We'll talk about Solana right after Casper. Which, by the way, let's talk about some Casper. Ooh. Okay. So from the previous live streams, that's all the playable scenario. I told you guys to get in at 3,255, and now you would be in profits. 3,252.20 was the best price action to getting in. Now it broke to the upside. Now you would be in profits if we were talking about from previous live streams. So still same scenario, playing out exactly the exact same way. But let me get rid of this so it doesn't go. There we go. So now your new entry price for Casper is 0.03288. 0.03288. Okay, that's your new entry price to getting in on some Casper. Remember, it's Casper, not Caspa. Caspa is a whole other coin. Swap Shop, big shout out to Swap Shop over on the TikTok channel saying, can we look at XTP? XTP or XRP? Is there a coin called XTP? I don't think so. Let me see. We can look at that. We can talk about some XTP. Big shout out to Phoenix. How you doing, Phoenix? How you doing? Big shout out to you. All right, let's talk about some Solana. Solana. Let's do some Solana. What is Solana doing right now? So Solana. Ooh, Solana looking real good. Solana looking real good. Me liking some Solana, guys. Okay, so Solana, let's zoom in a little bit here. Solana, we're going to identify the low. We're going to identify the high. We're going to identify the low. We identify the high. And we're going to pretend that it's going to come back down. And it's going to give us our shark fin formation. The shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. My new entry price for some Solana action is 25.36. So I'm going to start stacking up on some Solana action at 25.36. Okay. It does look like we're on the tippy top of the RSI, so there's probably going to be a pullback from here. I am going to enjoy that pullback from here, coming back down to $25.36, and I'm going to start stacking up a lot of Solana at $25. Solana has a huge potential to grow for the next bull cycle, okay, guys? But do keep in mind that people no longer trust NFTs. And 90% of the volume that was being pumped into Solana the last bull run was NFTs. I don't know if NFTs are going to bounce back from the horror that it was 2022, where all the NFTs are just crashed. But who knows? Who knows? We'll see. No reason why not stacking up on your Solana, guys, okay? Solana is going into the upwards movement. Stack up on your Solana. $25 is more than enough. Yeah. It is a great project. It can do more than NFTs, okay? It is just it doesn't necessarily have to be focused on NFTs. It can get money. It can make money. It's a great project. It's a great platform, by the way. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok channel saying, how you doing, brother? Where you been, bro? Haven't seen you in a while. It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a minute. Tony, my man Tony over on the TikTok saying, how about quant? So you want to talk about some quant action? Yeah, I got you, brother. Don't worry about it. I got you. Man. Live and Learn saying over on the TikTok channel saying mostly NFTs, yes, but the project was decent. Yeah. Solana can do a lot more than just NFTs. It can do DeFi. It can do so much. It can do so much. The Sol NFT community was amazing. Yes, it was. A lot of money was made in the Solana NFT community. 2021 was great. It was a great year. My best year was 2021. But we'll get that again 2025. You'll see. 2025 is going to be 2021. You'll see. You'll see. Big shout out to Phoenix. How you doing, Phoenix? What you been up to, Phoenix? Haven't seen you in the last live stream that we did on Crypto Granny. We missed you. Ibrahim. Big shout out to Ibrahim over on the TikTok channel saying, any suggestions for a quick flipping spot? Bro, XRP. You don't need anything else. Forget about flipping. Forget about spy XRP. Live and Learn saying a lot of money was lost in Solana NFTs. Yeah, a lot of money was lost in the bear cycle 2022. Absolutely. Absolutely. Phoenix saying over on the TikTok channel saying I was sleeping. Yeah, we should do that from time to time too. I'll sleep when I retire, when I'm old. When I look like this. This is when I'm going to sleep. When I look like that. 40 years from now, that's when I'm going to sleep. User 58 was to talk about Blue Cell. Blue Cell. What the hell is Blue Cell? Never heard about Blue Cell. How do you write that? Blue Cell. Okay, interesting. We'll talk about some Blue Cell. Swap Shop over on the TikTok channel saying there's a coin called TAP XTP. Oh yeah, we talked about CAP the last time. You're right. Yeah, we could talk about some XTP. So yeah, guys, that is the plan for Solana today, getting it at $25. Moving on to some quant QNT. Let's talk about some quant action. All right. So let's zoom in. Ooh, look at that, guys. Exactly my target price. What did I say? Getting it at $94, right? Look at the spiky spike right here. This was your best chance. There it is, 94,097, and you hold it all the way up to $119 because it closed above the 382. So this sucker looks like it wants to keep going to $119. You buy it at 94, you sell it at 119. That's the plan. Hasn't changed. Okay? It only got better. It only got stronger. It found support in the 382. So Quant looking real good. Okay? Take a screenshot of this, because this is how I'm going to play Quant. Get it at 94, sell it at 119. What about XDC? Let's talk about XDC. Ooh, look at that. From previous live streams, guys, I just love it when things just fucking work. So you got in at 4 cents right here. And right now you would be in profits at 5 cents. Now we need to close above the 0.5. It played out beautifully. You would be in profits right now. If you got in on this trade when we talked about it in previous live streams, you would be making a beautiful 15% on your trade. That's not bad. 15% is a beautiful trade, guys. You're not going to get 15% anywhere else. So this one playing out beautifully. It needs to close above 0.05. Let me put it over here. 0.05502. Okay. It needs to close above 0.0552 for it to reach the 382. Okay. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse you. Okay. So if it closes above the 382, which is this zone right here, this white line that I have drawn right there, 0.06256, that just tells me that XDC has a humongous chance to getting to 14 cents, guys. You buy it at 5, you sell it at 14, and you forget about the world. Not financial advice. You trade it however the hell you want to trade it, but that's how I would trade it. So my entry price to getting in on some XDC, if I haven't gotten into XDC just yet, is 0.04. Okay. And my exit price is 14.78. You get in at 4. You get in at 4. You get out at 14. That's a beautiful 200% on your trade. That's a 2x on your money. Not financial advice. But we did get the bullish signal. We got the bullish signal. And now we got the cross to the upside. Brothers, let me tell you right now, brothers and sisters, for XDC, keep an eye out on XDC. Don't sleep on this monster because this looks like it wants to. This looks like it wants to pump. It pretty much has the same structure as XRP, by the way. This is the same pattern. It's the same pattern. Live and learn over on the TikTok channel saying, "Can you please do Caspa?" Oh, you want to talk about some Caspa? Caspa was another one that looked real good. We can talk about some Caspa. Don't worry about it. I got you. Caroline, a big shout out to Caroline over on the TikTok channel saying, how to find the bull signal? Very simple, Caroline. Let me zoom in over here so you can see it. Oops. You see this little triangle right here? You see this little triangle that says bull? Okay. And this little triangle over here that says bear. Okay. Those are signals. Okay. Those are indicators. Those indicators come from the indicators tab. Click on it and type in trader XO. Trader XO. Okay. Click on the one that says Trader XO macro trend scanner by a person called BTC Charlie. I am not BTC Charlie. I didn't create this one. Okay. So credit where credit is due. Click on it and activate it. Okay. These are the settings for that tool right there. You go to the settings in your trading view for that indicator. And these are the colors that I use, I believe. And these are the inputs. I believe these are standard. These are default. I didn't change anything from here. I haven't changed anything from here. And I don't think I ever will because they work beautifully. Okay. And these are the visibility, the styling, the inputs. I think these are all default. These are all default. You don't need to change anything. Okay. So you get the signals, bear and bull, and you pay attention. Okay. You pay attention. We got the bull. That means that the price it's turning bullish. It's turning to the upside. Now I can never give you the top or the bottom. It could drop from there. It doesn't really. No indicator is 100%. Okay, 100%. But it's a guide. It's a little bit of help. You know, it's a little bit of help. It just adds one more layer of security and confirmation for your trades. Okay. So that's where I get those signals. Okay, bull. Look at this one and. Okay, bear. Bull. Okay. It's just momentum triggers. That's all it is. Momentum triggers. Bear. Bull. But look at this one. Bull, and it didn't go anywhere. Bear, and it went back down. So you can get indicators like that. But it's more often than none that you won't. Okay? Bear, bull. Bear, but not so much. So here, you would have lost here. You would have made money here. You would have made money here. You would have lost here. You would have made money here. Made money here. Made money here. See? So. Ernesto Rodriguez saying, what's the name of the indicator? Trader XO. Trader XO by BTC Charlie. Okay. Let's talk about some Jasmy. You guys wanted to talk about some Jasmy. Let's go into Jasmy. Okay, so Jasmy. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit here. So we have a low, we have a high, and we have a reversal of the high. We have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. Let's draw out the Fibonacci levels, and this is my entry price for some Jasmy coin. If you're not in Jasmy yet, Jasmy looking real good, by the way. I like the pattern, so stacking up on some Jasmy. Oops. 350. 350. That's a kick-ass song, by the way. What's the song? New Days by Sam Allen. New Days by Sam Allen. I'm going to download that song. That's a kick-ass song. I like that song. Chapulín! Chapulín, how you doing, Chapulín? Big shout out to Chapulín. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. You know how it's just chilling like a villain. My man AJ Sag over on the Twitch channel saying, what are the best bouncing cryptos with some recognition? Pretty please. Brother, you don't need anything else, bro. Just get some XRP. That's the best coin there is. Forget about the rest. Juju, big shout out to Juju over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Juju? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. All right, so for Jasmy, 350. That's my target price for some Jasmy coins. Moving on to some storage. Wait, I wrote this wrong. Storage. Ooh. Storage is pumping. We got the bullish signal. We got the cross on the RSI. Blam! See why I do these streams every day? Because I don't look at these coins. And I miss my fucking chance. Storage looking real good, brother. Get you some storage. Cloud computing all the way. This fucker looks like it wants to pump to the upside. Get in on some storage action. Absolutely. It's trading at 70 cents. All-time high was almost $3. No, it was $3. Yeah, it was $3.50. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. For the next bull cycle, get in on some storage. Hold it for the next bull cycle. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok channel saying, how do I get your Fibonacci indicator? Very simple, brother. The Fibonacci is already included into your TradingView account. It's this one right over here. Third tool from the left bottom says Fib retracement. You click on it and you place it wherever the hell you want it. You click on the settings wheel and this is my Fibonacci tool. Take a screenshot of that and make sure that it looks exactly the same way as mine because that's how I teach. So obviously make it look exactly like mine. But those are the levels that I use. These are not the default levels. They don't look or act the exact same way. This was completely different. This is years of interpretation and me trying to figure out what the fuck I can do to make my trades even better. So those are the levels that I am using. So yeah, guys, storage looking real good. Storage looking real good. Okay, let me get rid of this so that I can find some new price action. We have a low, we have a high. We're going to pretend we're going to get the retracement of the high. My entry price would be 0.4627. So if I was going to start stacking up on some storage action, which I would because it looks real good, it would be at 46.27. Moving on to some XTP, which was TAP, right? It was TAP coin, XTP. I can't find it. Oh, there we go. TAP. Ooh. Ooh. So for TAP, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a retracement of that high. So we have a reverse shark fin formation, which translates into the Fibonacci level. I'm going to take it. And I'm going to draw it. And my entry price to getting in on some TAP action would be 0.00103839. So if I were going to stack up on some TAP action, brother, I would do it at this price right here. Less than a cent. So, whew. Buy $100 of this coin and hold it for the next bull cycle. Whew. That doesn't sound like a bad plan to me. I would do it at 0.001. Yeah. Having a little bit of a dumpy dump, which makes sense because this has zero volume. There is no volume on this coin whatsoever. Get it at a cent, brother. Put $100 in and forget about the rest to see what happens on the next bull cycle. That's what I'm going to do. No financial advice. Do whatever the hell you want to do. Moving on to some Casper. Ooh. What did I say? What did I say? I told you guys this fucker was going to keep going to the upside. I told you guys this fucker was going to go to the upside. Oh, man, this played out beautifully. Ooh. I am so happy that you guys listened on this one. I am so happy. I don't remember who was it that brought this one. It was about a month ago. More than a month ago. It was like 2 months ago. And we looked at Casper. It was in our radar. And it played out exactly. We got in at 0.03. And we got out at 0.66. Whew. This was a beautiful 70% on our trade right here. 70% on this trade. Wow. That is congratulations, whoever paid attention. And whoever brought it to my attention, thank you so much. I highly appreciate it. All right, guys. So the new that Fibonacci level played out beautifully. Now we need to reset the Fibonacci and figure out our new entry price for some Caspa. My new entry price for Caspa, it would be here. 0.05313. So for Caspa, my entry price is 0.05313. And we're going to play it exactly the same way that we did the last time. We buy it and we hold it all the way up to $0.10. This trade would bank us a beautiful 93% on our trade. We made 70% on the last one. We'll make 93 out of this one. Yup. Caspa looking real good. I love Caspa. Caspa to the upside, brothers. And there's so much room to keep going to the upside. Oof, this fucker's not slowing down at all. Happy T-Rob. How you doing, Happy T-Rob, over on the TikTok channel? Big shout out to you. Hey, fam. How you doing, brother? It's all good, good. Crypto Angels, thank you so much. Highly appreciate all those roses. 23 roses. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate it. Love you. Love you, too. Blockchain Gold over on the TikTok channel saying, when quant breakout, brother, soon. Hip, keep holding on, bro. Forget about it. NXRA, sure, we can talk about some NXRA action. NXRA. Alliance Block. I believe we talked about this one on Monday. So there you go. NXRA. What is our target price? 10 cents. We're not out of the woods yet. And this fucker looks like it wants to keep going to the upside right over here. So 10 cents is your target price. Did you get in at 0.05 when we talked about this, 24? Did you get in? You better be fucking in. Because this is a almost 100% on that trade. You better be in, brother. You better be in on this trade. But 10 cents is our target price for NXRA. Once that price gets reached, we'll reset the Fibonacci levels and go back in on NXRA because this fucker looks real good. Looking real good to the upside. Oh, I'm so glad, 24, that you are in that trade, brother. Damn. That is so awesome, bro. That is so fucking awesome. To make sure you take your profits at 10 cents, 10.65.99. That's your target price, okay? Set a limit sell order for that price range. It could keep going higher. You do whatever you want to do, you know? You know how it is. You know how to play the game already. But my target price would be 10 cents, 10.65.99. Okay? Or if you want to secure your profits now, take your profits now. If you're on the green, you're on the green. Better to secure those profits, you know? Let's talk about some XC. You guys wanted to talk about some XCN action. Damn. XCN. Bottom coin, guys. This is another coin that you just buy and hold for the next bull cycle because you just never know. But this fucker looks like it wants to keep going on the downside. So more power to the downside. I don't have any technical analysis I can use or give you, other than just buy this coin and hold it for the next bull cycle because I don't know. It is trading way less than a cent. So fuck it. Put $100 in and forget it. Forget it for the next bull cycle. You never know. You never know. You never know. Yeah. Victoria. Big shout out to Victoria over on the TikTok channel saying, what are your thoughts on KSM? KSM. KSM looking real good, Victoria. KSM looking real good. Let me see something here. Wait, give me a second. Boom. Yeah, it closed above the bottom zone. Ooh. All right. I like it. I like KSM. KSM looking real good. So if I was going to get in on some KSM action, I would do it at $20. My target price for KSM is $20.50. So if you guys don't have any KSM assets just yet, I would get it at $20. KSM has a really nice pattern playing out right now. It's a very bullish pattern. So for the next bull cycle, 2025, KSM is one to hold. KSM is one to hold. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Thank you, Victoria. I'm going to keep an eye out on this one. Absolutely. Oh, you know which one we haven't talked about? We look like XLM. What is XLM doing? We got to talk about XLM. Of course we do. So XLM, same price action, same scenario as from the previous live stream. 11 cents is my way to go in. 3382. Anything below 10 cents is a buy on XLM. Always remember that. Anything below 10 cents is a buy for XLM. So start stacking up on some XLM at 11 cents or anything below that. Okay. Do not sleep on XLM. It is a major break for the upside for XLM. Okay. Just like XRP. If XRP is going to go up, XLM is going to do the exact same thing. Control Your Own over on the TikTok channel saying thoughts on KDA. KDA. Another one, just like KSM. Another one looking real good. KDA is another one of these coins that are looking real good for the next bull cycle. You know what I would do with this coin? I would put it on a bot. I would do some trading bots on this coin right here. KDA looking real good. KDA looking real good too, guys. Ibrahim over on the TikTok channel saying XLM take profit. The XLM take profit. If you get in on XLM at 11 cents, your take profit is 16 cents. Anything between 15 and 16 cents. That would be my take profit on XLM. AJ Sag Tick over on the Twitch channel saying, I trust you. Okay. Nah, bro, you don't have to trust me, brother. Just do your own research. Choose whatever coin you want. I don't move the markets at all. I don't. I wish I had $1 billion and we can move markets. I'm nowhere near. I am nowhere near. I don't even have $1,000. I am him over on the TikTok channel saying exit VXV. VXV. Vector space. So the exit for Vector. Let me move out of this. The exit for Vector. $14.99. That is your take profit for some VXV. Juju! How you doing, Juju? Over on the Twitch channel saying, how is the trading challenge going? Well, as of right now, I took some profits on that trade. I pulled out about $10,000 on that trade. I have left over $33,000 that I'm doing my trades. If you go to my Discord, you're going to see all the entries that I'm doing on that challenge. So I turned $1,000 into $43,000 in about a year. Took $10,000 out so I can pay my bills and pay everything I needed to pay all my debts. And now I'm back in with $33,000, and I put how I'm going to trade them on XRP on my Discord channel. So make sure that you head on over to the Discord. You can see all of the entry prices to see if we can actually catch a dip on XRP and we can keep going to the upside. Innovative Concepts. Big shout out to Innovative Concepts. Over on the TikTok channel saying next year maybe 200K. Next year, no. 2025, most likely. Next year is the halving. So we're going to get a dumpy dump. Okay. So April, dumpy dump. May, definite dumpy dump. Okay. Because May is always the worst month. So May, you run away. Dumpy dump on May. And then the gradual upside until we get the new president on November. And after we get the new president, boom. Straight shot to 100K, 200K per Bitcoin. You'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Jacob Oliver over on the TikTok channel saying, how much is your Discord? My Discord is free, brother. I don't charge for nothing. I don't make money at all for all the information that I share with you guys here. I don't charge for anything. I don't have any courses. I don't have any ebooks. I don't have any indicators. I don't have nothing. All the information is completely free over in my Discord. Just ask away. It's a nice little community of people who are doing pretty much the same thing you are. We're learning how to trade, and I give out all my signals, all of my entries. Some people copy those trades if they want to. Completely up to them. And we just try to make some money. Try to catch these gains, you know? Learning together. But it's a community, and a small community, and we take care of each other, you know? And it's completely free. Nothing. I charge nothing. Thank you, Jacob. You're more than welcome. Yeah, head on over. Make sure that you verify your account on Discord, okay? Because if not, it's going to treat you like a bot, and it's going to kick you out. So make sure that you hit the verify button when you get in. And just go through the tabs and go to the chat and start chatting away. Well, we're always there. I'm always there 24 hours a day. Every day, all day. And my last post on my Discord, I put a screenshot of my XRP entry prices. $24 around the TikTok channel saying, any gems you have, amigo? Gems as of right now, today, no. My gems are going to come right after the halving. When the halving happens in May, we get that dump. Be sure to be on my Discord because I am going to share all of the bots that I'm going to start. Okay? And on tomorrow's stream, by the way, don't miss it because tomorrow I'm going to talk about bots trading. Okay? If God permits and I can stream tomorrow, I'm going to talk about bots trading, how to do bots in a way where it's profitable from this point forward. Because from this point forward, it's upwards momentum. Bots only work in upwards momentum. So now is the time to start some bots. So tomorrow's stream is going to be about bots trading, and you're going to have a little peek of what my gems are going to be. Okay, but the real all out bots trading, futures trading, all of that is going to come in May 2024. So make sure that you stick around. You hit the like button and follow and subscribe because I'm going to share what my gems are going to be. But it's going to be for May because May is the dump. Okay, May is the dump. That's when I'm going to give you the gems. Okay. Big shout out to my boy, main boy right there, Crypto Sleeps. How you doing, Sleeps, brother? How you doing, bro? Big shout out to Happy T-Rob. Thank you so much for that hat and mustache and the heart. Big shout out to you. I love you too, Happy T-Rob. My man, Lifelong, thank you so much for the roses. My man, Ernesto Rodriguez, thank you for that rose. Big shout out to all the gifters today. You guys are amazing like always. I highly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. Happy T-Rob, I'm a lady. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry. I can't see you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, all right, but talk to you later. Write me up to know, you know, how you doing and take care. Yeah, brother, thank you for stopping by, man. You're always welcome here anytime. Thank you so much for the little hour of power that you gave me, brother. I hope you took some advantage of it. And I'll text you later. Let's finish up strong and let's go for the Dixie. Let's see what the Dixie is doing right now. Let's see. The Dixie curving back down. The US dollar curving down. That means that Bitcoin is probably going to curve to the upside. Wait, no. Bullshit. Let me zoom in. Yeah. We got the bearish signal. We got the cross. We got the bearish on the US dollar. We got the cross on the RSI. Yeah, the US dollar is about to go down. But that just means that Bitcoin is probably going to go up. We're probably going to have to change this Fibonacci level. It is. It can't break that 36K. If the US dollar keeps going to the downside. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking real good. Oh, Ernesto sent me a friend request. Of course. There you go, brother. Lifelong over on the TikTok channel saying, could you please look at Filecoin? Filecoin. What is Filecoin? I think I've heard of this in TikTok and I don't know. Oh, we did an analysis on this. Did you guys play this one? Did you get some Filecoin? Because it played out exactly like I told you it was going to play out. Let me get rid of that so it doesn't confuse you. Look at Filecoin, guys. Filecoin looking real good. We got this cup and handle formation right over here. We had the retracement and we had the breakout to the upside. Filecoin looking like it wants to keep going to the upside. Filecoin is another one that looking real good to the upside. Man, you guys are bringing in some gems right here today. I don't know where you were getting your research, but keep it coming. Do not miss a live stream. I'm going to listen to you guys. Fuck me. So for Filecoin, looking like it wants to keep going to the upside. Big shout out to Tigolito. Tigolito96 over on the Twitch channel. Thank you for that follow. So Filecoin looking real good. $3.57. If I wanted to get in on some Filecoin, I would get it in at $3.57. But let me tell you right now, it's looking real good. It's looking real good. Tigolito over on the Twitch channel saying, can you tell me better dividends for November, please? Dividends? What are you talking about dividends? There's no dividends on crypto unless you do some DeFi. And we're not into DeFi right now. DeFi would be a good time to get into DeFi would be May of next year. May of next year would be a great time to get in some DeFi projects over on crypto because you get paid on dividends, and if it goes to the upside, then you're good to go. But right now, dividends, DeFi for crypto, no, not yet. Not yet. No, May next year. That's when we're going to talk about some DeFi tokens. Lindsay Meal saying over on the TikTok, you're doing a good job. Thank you so much, Lindsay. Thank you so much. Caroline talking about some Matic. You want to talk about some Matic? Yeah, we can talk about some Matic. Of course we can. So $3.57 would be my entry price for some Filecoin. Do not sleep on Filecoin, guys. Do not sleep on Filecoin. Okay? $3.57. All right, let's talk about some Matic. Matic, Fophatic, Fofina, Fophatic. Okay, so Matic. To get in on some Matic action, I would get in at 59 cents, 0.5948. But Matic has a bearish pattern playing out right now. So it's probably... Let me see something here, guys. Let me do something a little pro. Don't pay attention. Don't look at the man behind the curtain. I'm going to do something a little pro here. Because Matic looking good to the downside. Nope. Bullshit. It's to the upside. All right. So Matic... Okay, yeah. Forget about these lines. You don't need to know about these lines just yet. So, Matic, I would get in on Matic at 60 cents. 0.627. There's probably some downwards action coming real soon because Bitcoin looking like it wants to go down too. So 60 cents would be my entry price to getting in on some Matic action. Okay, Matic action. Tigolito over on the Twitch channel saying, I'm new here. I didn't know I just talk about crypto. Yeah, brother, this is a crypto channel. It's a crypto centric. I mean, we can talk about anything you guys want. You got me for an hour of power, but we talk about crypto. So if you want to learn how to trade crypto, then you're in the right place. Yeah, absolutely. But you're more than welcome, brother. Stay around. Stick around. I stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern if God permits. And I also have a free Discord over in Discord. If you guys want to join in over there, I'm always there 24 hours a day. Any questions that you guys have, you can go ahead and ask me on the chat box. And if I can't answer you, some of my students will. And it's a very nice community. Very tight, very together. We take care of each other. So if you guys have any projects you want to talk about, anything you look at crypto and it kind of looks a little bit fishy, bring it over to the Discord and we'll talk about it. We'll discuss it. I'm always there 24 hours a day. Any coins that you want to look at, like, yo, Sensei, can you look at this coin? Go over to the Discord and you can see my trades over there. I also do some live trading over on the Discord. Sometimes when I go in on a trade, I live stream it on the Discord alone so you guys can see the trades. So yeah, just make sure that you don't miss the Discord. And it's completely free. I don't charge for anything really. I don't make any money from the community or anything whatsoever. Unless the donations and the gifts, those are always welcome. You can help the channel. You know how it is. So for Matic, brother, Matic for Fatic, it would be 60 cents, okay? It's power to the upside for Matic, breaking to the upside. So if you can get it at 60 cents, it's the way to go. It's the way to go. Happy T Rob over on the TikTok channel saying, how do you join in your Discord? Link in my bio. Go to the bio on whatever platform you're looking on me at. There's a link. It's my link tree. And the first link, it says, join my Discord. Okay. Phoenix over on the TikTok channel saying, what is the Discord link? It's in my link in bio. Okay. Link in bio. Tigolito96 over on the Twitch channel saying, do you think Bitcoin for 2024? So for 2024 on Bitcoin, we're getting the halving. Every 4 years, Bitcoin cuts the supply by half. That's called the halving. And that's going to happen in April 2024. So what happens is that the price dumps. Okay. And then it fucking pumps to all-time highs. Okay. So if you're on the market to getting in on some Bitcoin action, wait for May. Wait for May. Or you can get it now. It doesn't really matter. Wait for May. Get on the Bitcoin train and ride that fucker all the way to the upside. Big shout out to everybody who joined my Discord right now. You guys are amazing. Make sure you talk on the chat box. Okay? No judgment here. You can talk about whatever the hell you want to talk about. Any coin, any project, whatever you guys want. I'm always there. Some of my friends are always there. People who I personally trained are also there. We got some great moderators who are always on the lookout. Any fishy stuff, they take care of that. So it's a very nice community. You can talk and hang out. We can hang out anytime you guys want. Also, remember that I stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe to all of my streaming platforms. Okay? Because I'm always there. Tigolito96 over on the Twitch channel saying May, right? Yes, May of next year. That's when you're going to talk about some Bitcoin, okay? Take this time from now, November to May, to study about Bitcoin, study about crypto. Look at YouTube videos. There's billions of them. Follow all the influencers. See what they're doing. What are they talking about Bitcoin? And then on May, you get some Bitcoin. You get some Bitcoin. All right, guys. That's all the time I got for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. Remember, guys, that all of my streams are being recorded. So you can go to my YouTube channel and rewatch all of my streams whenever you guys want. Okay? They're also uploaded to my Discord. So you can rewatch all of the streams anytime you guys want. I stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern from Monday to Friday. Okay, so make sure that you stop by, hit the follow, and subscribe to whatever platform you're looking on me at, whichever you prefer. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, Kick, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'm all over the place. No reason why not to get my TA and my price actions, okay, guys? And I also welcome you to go to my Discord group and hang out with us over there. It's completely free, and we can talk about anything you guys want. We talk English, we talk Spanish, whatever you want to talk about. We're always there. I'm always there 24 hours a day, okay? I barely sleep. All right, guys, I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Thank you all for stopping by. Highly appreciate and love each and every one of you. Thank you for your time and your gifts. Absolutely appreciate and love each and every one of you. See you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Take care. God bless and have a good one.
Yeah.